Lena was looking.
You got green all over you. See? No, got it. Aren't you cute? And on your feet. Look at your feet. And you got it on your belly. Wait, no, hey, shh, chill. You got it right here too. Quit. Lay down. God, you're a mess. It's not coming off. Look at her foot. Oh my God, Lena. Oh, your pads are green. Oh my God. I don't think we're gonna get much more out. No. You think it's funny, don't you?
Terrible.
Let's see. Is it anywhere else? Ow!
You don't want to touch your hole.
It's okay. God. I think we need soap, but I don't. We'll just wait for your mommy to get home. You can stop it. So you can stop it.